Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change a crisper pan on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now to change this crisper drawer, you simply need to open the refrigerator up. We'll remove the defective drawer. Now before we install the new one, we're going to remove the two glides at the back. We'll simply take a flat blade screwdriver and then just gently pry them away towards the edge until they pop off. We can then discard the old crisper. Now you'll note that the new one does not have the slide control on it, so we don't need to do anything there. We next need to put those glides back in place. And you simply snap onto the side at the back. Make sure they're snapped firmly into place. We can then put the crisper back into the refrigerator. Make sure it's closed fully. And to prolong the life of your crispers, remember to always wash them in only lukewarm water and with a dish detergent, and always make sure that they're fully pushed back into place before you close your refrigerator door. And your repair is complete.